Hello guys, so welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how to run a Java program in Visual Studio Code and successfully configure it with all the extensions. So let's just start. So the first thing you need to do is go to the official Oracle website which owns Java, as you all know. So we need to download the JDK, the Java Development Kit. So the latest version you can see is Java Development Standard Edition Development Kit 17. So this is the official website. I'll link it down in the description. So as you can see, there Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So you just need to click on Windows. There are only 3 here. So everybody prefers 64 installer. So I'll go with the same thing. So as you can see, just click on this link. So it'll start downloading. It's a 152 MB file. So it's done. Okay, I'm just gonna click on it. Okay, so you can see this the setup. So click on next, and this it has chosen the default directory as program files Java. So I'm gonna let that be, but if you want you can change it, but I would suggest you not to. Okay, so next, so it's installing now. Just fast forward this. So as you can see, it's done. So you can just click on close now. So Java is installed. So but if you want to check it, you can just search cmd and just search Java, type the command Java space version. You can see if you get a command like this, Java 17 2021 09 14, then you've successfully installed the Java development kit. But if you haven't, I suggest you to uninstall like whatever you have just done right now and repeat the process which I have just done. So it's done. So now we go on to the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So I've opened it now, and if you don't know how to install this and configure this and add it to the path, I've already made a video on this before, so I'll just put in the I button and in the description. You can go check that out first. So here we have the splash screen. Now I'm just gonna click on a new file, and I'm just gonna save it as test.java. So you need to give any name, whatever you want, and save it in all files and click on test.java. So I've clear, and make sure to suffix it with .java because that's the extension. Clicked on save. You see the logo Java is detected here. Now we can't just directly write the code and start running and compiling it now because there's no extension of Java in VSC right now. So all you need to do is here you can see Control Shift X. You can just click on that, or there's these blocks here. So you click on these, and these extensions you need to install the Java extension. So just search Java extension. So this is the extension pack for Java. This is the official one from Microsoft, as you can see. So this includes all of these, so these will be necessary. So just click on install here. So this will take what 1 to 2 minutes depending on your internet speed, but yeah, as you can see it's already done. Now all you need to do is, now the extension pack is installed, so now you can just close this, and if this extension thing is coming in the middle, just go on view appearance and switch off show sidebar. Yeah, so now we can just type out a basic program. So I'll just fast forward it for you guys. So as you can see, I have written a basic code just saying how are you doing VS Code. So okay, there's a semicolon missing. So yeah, I've written this here, class first, and it's necessary to put string args over here inside the main method. So now you can just see this run code button here, Control Alt N, the play button. Click on that. Okay, so it gave us a java.lang error, class not found. Okay, Okay, so as you can see, I just did a mistake there. I put it as just print. I just put the print statement. So this is what happens when you simultaneously learn C++, Java, and Python. So I just put the wrong command. So I was just system.println, and I forgot the syntax. Sorry. So as you can see, I just imported the util package here. It's created a test, and then I created the void main with strings args in it, and this is a simple print statement which says how you're doing VS Code. So now you just click on the play button here or Control Alt 10. I'll just press Control Alt 10, and you can see here it's successfully run Java ctest.java. Done. How are you doing VS Code? So now we just do one input program just to see if it works. So let me just create the scanner. So I'm just inputting a name, and I'm just going to say this. So yeah, semicolon. Yeah, okay. So let's just run this now. It says how you doing VS Code. Oh, okay. So another mistake. So silly. We just need to keep pressing Control S so that the file gets saved. So this ran the old program which was there just before this. So yeah, we need to keep pressing save. Now we'll just run this. So it says enter your name. So I'm just gonna enter my first name, but next line it can accept even like a, even if I type my full name right now, I'll get accepted. So I'll just type it if you want, but I can let it be like this, or I can type my full name. So I'll just put my full name. So yeah, the program works. It says hope you're having a great day. So yeah, so this was the basic tutorial on how to make your first Java program run in Visual Studio Code. So yeah, I hope this worked out for you guys. So